Are you an introvert who's been hesitating to start vlogging? I totally understand. I was exactly where you are now. And today I want to share my personal journey creating vlogs for the very first time. By the way, if we haven't met, hi, my name is Rini Ismail. I'm a self-taught videographer running a video business for the past decade. Since 2019, I've been making YouTube videos, sharing video tips, and these days, my main focus is mentoring solo founders to scale their businesses and guide YouTube creators to grow their channels. Let me share something interesting I've discovered about myself. While I always thought I was purely an introvert, I've learned that I'm what you might call an ambivert. You know, someone whose energy changes based on the situation and environment. But when it comes to vlogging, I still very much relate to my introverted side. At first, the thought of recording myself outdoors was absolutely terrifying. Just imagine people watching me talk in camera in public would make my heart race really fast. So what I did was I started in the safest place I knew, my home office, with just me and my camera. What really helped me feel more natural was practicing with friends when outdoors. I set up my camera while having regular conversation with them. It felt more like catching up over coffee rather than creating content. So this simple approach helped me develop a more relaxed, authentic way of speaking on camera. So here's something wonderful that I also realized. Being an introvert gives us special qualities that can make a content stand out. We naturally think deeply about topics, observe details others might miss, and often process experiences in meaningful ways. Now let me share what's worked well with my experience. So first things first, always start with a clear purpose. My first vlogs focus simply on documenting my journey to overcome camera shyness, especially outdoors. So having this personal goal made everything feel more meaningful and less overwhelming. Number two, use the right tools. I invested in a very good microphone very early on, which made a huge difference because being able to speak softly while still being able to be heard clearly helped me feel more in control, especially when I was recording outdoors. And number three, be authentically yourself. Instead of trying to match the energy of extroverted vloggers, I learned to embrace my quieter, more thoughtful approach, and people usually appreciate genuine content regardless of how it's delivered. Now, let me break down some practical approaches that have really worked for me. So number one, choose quiet locations. So you want to start by recording in peaceful places or spaces where you feel comfortable. This might actually be your home, a quiet park early in the morning, or an empty cafe. Number two, practice mindfully. Before recording outdoors, spend some time practicing at home. Get comfortable with the different styles, different angles, different lighting, and ways of speaking that feel natural to you. Number three, use your reflective nature. As introverts, we often process experiences deeply. So use this strength to create content that offers unique insights and perspective. Number four, plan your energy. This is very important. For me, I've learned to schedule my recording sessions when I feel most energized. And I always plan for quiet time afterward to recharge. And number five, create theme content. Having a specific focus for each vlog helps reduce anxiety about what to say. For example, I started with a week in my live videos, which kind of like gave me a natural structure to follow because it just gives a process of the whole week. So you need to remember that growing comfortable with vlogging is a journey, just like how you create YouTube videos. So start with short videos in comfortable settings. As your confidence grows, gradually challenge yourself to try new locations or new styles. There is no need for you to rush. Move at the pace that feels right for you. I have found that keeping a reflection journal about my vlogging experiences helps me to keep track my progress and identify what works best for myself. So sometimes what feels uncomfortable at first becomes second nature with practice. And being an introvert is not a limitation, okay? It's part of what makes your perspective valuable and unique. Your thoughtful approach to content creation can help you connect deeply with your viewers who actually appreciate authentic, meaningful content. So if you are an introvert thinking of starting a vlog, I would love to hear what specific concerns you have. Share them in the comments section below and let's support each other on this journey. So you need to remember, some of the most impactful content comes from people who take time to think deeply and share honestly. See you in the next one.